making keto popovers. Let's go! As promised, in this video we are making keto popovers, and as you can see, they look absolutely stunning. I think it should be a staple on keto because you can freeze it, you can have it as a dessert, which is what I'm showing you how to do today, and you can have it as a savory dish. And if you want to know how to do that, click on this link now and we pair it up with a beautiful beef stew. Hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do take a look around, and if you love what you see, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new recipe. Now, a little about this popular recipe by Queen Keto. I made a few changes. Instead of using Gluten flour, I used almond flour because we can all get almond flour. And instead of using whole milk, I used unsweetened almond milk, which is an approved keto milk. And I added a little bit of baking powder so we can get a fluffier popover or Yorkshire pudding. The result is we get a lower carb count, and of course, all the ingredients are keto approved and you are gonna love it. Let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 3 eggs and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and whisk together until lovely and frothy. Grab another bowl and sift 30 grams of arrowroot powder, 20 grams of almond flour and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder together. Give it a mix to combine, then gradually add it a little at a time to the egg mixture while whisking. And doing this will prevent lumps in the batter. Next, gradually add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk and whisk in between each addition. You will have lots of air bubbles. When you're done whisking, cover with saran wrap or cling film and let the batter rest for half an hour. While that's resting, set your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. Grab a muffin tray and grease 8 cups with butter. Then add about a 1/4 teaspoon of butter into each, and remember we're making 8 popovers. Then 5 minutes before the rest time for the batter is up, pop the muffin tray into the oven. Remove the muffin tray when the butter is melted and bubbling. Give the batter one last whisk and air bubbles will reduce and you'll get an even mixture. Fill each cup to almost full like I'm doing. Then bake for 30 minutes. Next, reduce the oven temperature to 290 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees with the fan. Stick a wooden spoon into the door so that the oven is slightly open and continue to bake for another 15 minutes. Then turn the oven off, open the door fully, and this will dry out your popovers and the tops will crisp up further and hold their shape. When they are cool, it's time to dress these beauties. Dust with powdered sweetener. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of whipped cream, 3 berries of your choice, 5 sugar-free chocolate chips, and 1 grated lonely old sugar-free chocolate chip. So that's how you make a beautiful keto popover, and you can have it savory or sweet. I really hope you get to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.